Howdy folks, it's been a long time. So we have our next upgrade on the bike. It's gonna be a seat change on the bike. A lot of us who've been riding bobber for a while know how bad the stock seats are. It's always an ass-hurting comment that we have when we go onto Facebook and see, hey, people have changed their new seats. So I didn't want to spend $600 on a new seat, so I ended up picking a brand new seat from eBay from a company called Specialties, and it's a beautiful seat. I'll show you how it looks like and how easy it's to install. So let's do the install right. So this is a stock seat right now. Go down there, pop it up, there you go, and just slowly pull it out. So this is what the seat holds. I mean, that's a high hold right up here, and there's a clamp that goes in there. So we take this guy, thank you, and this is gonna be our Drag Specialty seats. You see right here, it's got the clamps and it's also got the eye hole. So let's line it up right here, slow and easy. Line it up, push, here you go. So that's the install. Hardly took me 5 minutes, and that's how beautiful the seats are. The contour is pretty amazing. You actually get to stick to the bike. It doesn't throw you off like the other seats, and I don't think the pillion is gonna have a fun time riding it, but for a single rider it's an amazing seat. It's called as the Drag Specialties 3/4 seat. Looks pretty cool. That's the contour of the seat.